Model, 2015 Volkswagen Caddy C20 Diesel 1.6 TDI 102PS Startline van spares OR repairs throwing kisses absolute bargain of the day starstruck. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 109,342. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 TDI 102PS. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Very simple and easy fix, engine is 100% smirk, gearbox and clutch look all good. Very nice and easy simple fix for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £5,975.